Healy, the wearable for your well-being, health and fitness. To use the Healy, you need an iPhone with iOS 9.0 or higher, or a smartphone with Android 4.4 or higher. Before you can use the Healy, the built-in battery must be fully charged. You can see the battery status by briefly pressing the power button on the Healy once. Your Healy is ready for operation when the green LED on the right side flashes continuously. If the green LED flashes briefly several times and then goes off again, you must charge your Healy. Use the micro USB cable and power supply included in your Healy package. To download the Healy app, you need an internet connection on your smartphone. Open the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Healy. Download the free Healy app and install it. Now everything is ready for you to start using your Healy. Turn on your Healy by briefly pressing the button in the middle of the device. The green LED light should now flash evenly. Now start the Healy app on your smartphone. The app automatically connects the Healy to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Confirm the 3 consecutive steps for the Healy to access your camera, media and files, videos and photos, and access to device location. Now a screen will appear with the terms and conditions. Please read it carefully and afterwards accept them to continue. Next, the Healy app will ask you for the serial number of your Healy. This can be found on the small white sticker on the back of the Healy. You can either enter the serial number manually or scan it using the QR code scanner. Then click on Connect. Now the app will connect to your Healy and the Bluetooth LED on the left side of the Healy should flash. If you are connected to the internet, you will get a notification. After confirming, all the programs you have purchased will then be downloaded and installed. If your update doesn't appear automatically, click on Properties and then on Check for Updates. All the programs you have purchased will then be downloaded and installed. You can also change the language in the settings menu. Now everything is ready for you to start your first Healy program. Choose a program and transfer it to your Healy by tapping on its icon. Next, you will see a screen explaining how to adjust the electrodes for this program. If you tap on Start, the program will be transferred to your Healy. In the program screen, you can pause and restart the program by tapping on the icon in the center. You can also adjust the intensity until you feel a slight tingling sensation. If you don't feel anything, even at 100%, you either have a program for local use, or it may be because you have particularly dry skin. Here we recommend that you simply add a little water to the electrodes. The color of the circle, whose length stands for the elapsed program time, indicates where the current is flowing. If it is black, the current is so low that it cannot be measured. If the circle is white, then current flows. If it is grey, then no measurement is possible. Have fun with your Healy programs.